Hi kids. Welcome to CodeLion.
Hey kid. What are you doing? Are you picking fruits from neighbor's house?
Oh. Oh yeah. I am. Oh no, I think I just caught.
Wait, where are you going? I will catch you. Ah.
Oh hi sir, how are you? How long time we will meet?
He is picking fruit from others' home.
Aha, don't worry officer. I will punish this kid and teach about good manners. He is my friend.
Okay, then I will go.
Why are you dancing? What you did is not a good thing. Come with me today, you have to meet my friend Monkey Professor. He will teach you about block-based coding. Block-based coding.
Okay kid, I think you are the friend of Lion. Do you know coding is just a skill just like other? Then practice make you perfect? Today our lesson is block-based coding.
Professor. I want to know what our skill we can develop learning programming. Can we develop any other skill through this?
Why not kid? We can improve our problem-solving skills, storytelling skills and develop our logic.
But what is block-based coding?
Okay kid. I am going to show you block-based coding or programming. It is allow you to drag and drop the block to center the computer. Young programmers like you will use coding information such as block to construct animate stories and even games. You create a story or your very own game by carrying out simple part block-based coding.
Wow! But Professor, what instruction can I give the computer?
Well, there are different types of blocks. It used to control movements. For instance, one single block create a 10 steps to forward or turn right or left. Looks blocks. This block is used to change the color, brightness, or pixelation of the sprite. Further, it can use to say something like hello, and change costume of backdrop, and to change size.
Sprite, what is it?
Sprite is a character that you can move or in your game. Sound blocks. It used to add sound to your games, or add effects by change with pitch, and even change the volume with different sounds.
Wow, Professor! Such an interesting. Using this, what can I make?
Yes, you can create clicker games like popping balloons. Chase game allowed place to control character to chasing another character or object.
I think I have to learn more about programming. Anyway, thank you Professor, I will meet you soon again.
It's okay kid, you're welcome.
Thank you. Hit the subscribe, bye bye.